by Martins Mawule. A five-man panel of the Supreme Court, led by Justice Nwani Abaji, took the decision following the withdrawal of the appeal by the governor through his counsel, Yusuf Ali. We have details in this report.
The legal dispute between Rivers State Governor Similaye Fubara and the House of Assembly members loyal to the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, resumed at the Supreme Court. When the appeal was called for hearing, Fubara, through his counsel, Yusuf Ali, informed the five-member panel, presided over by Justice Abba Aji, of his intention to withdraw the case, citing that it had been overtaken by events.
As you are well aware, we filed an appeal against the judgment of the Court of Appeal in respect of the budget of the state. The budget has since expired. We're now talking of 2025 budget, but that appeal had to do with 2024 budget. Secondly, with respect to the defection, the legislators, it was after the judgment of the High Court, Joseph Motosho, and the Court of Appeal, that they defected. So the question of their defection is now pending before the Federal Court in Port Harcourt. So, and that is why we withdrew the appeal on the ground that it has been overtaken by events.
However, Wale Olanikbeku, counsel for the Amahwile-led House of Assembly, demanded the outright dismissal of the suit, arguing that the parties had filed and exchanged briefs of argument and joint issues. He contended that the appropriate order under the circumstances was dismissal, a position the court accepted. With no objections from the respondents, the Supreme Court dismissed the appeal and awarded 4 million naira in costs against Fubara, payable to the House of Assembly and Amahwile. Shortly after the dismissal, a member of the Amahwile legal team explained the implications of the court's verdict to journalists.
Consequently, the decisions of the Court of Appeal and that of the Federal High Court, presided over by Honorable Justice Omotosho J., affirming that the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Honorable Martin Amewule, and the other 26 members of the House of Assembly are the authentic members of that House of Assembly and remain so. 27
members of the State Assembly loyal to Wike filed a lawsuit at the Federal High Court in Abuja, challenging the presentation and passage of the state's 2024 appropriation bill by lawmakers led by Honorable Edison Ehi. The suit, which was upheld by the lower court, also received the endorsement of the Court of Appeal in Abuja.
Well, that's the trending story we're tracking at the moment. Joining me to perhaps bring some clarity to the judgment of the appeal